Presenting IMI Growth Hub, a content series showcasing how IMI's innovation engine solves the problems that keep our customers up at night. Because when our customers grow, we grow.
There's one hidden problem that can quietly damage a valve's performance and cause costly downtime: low flow operation. At very low flows, cavitation and erosion can rapidly wear critical valve components, leading to more maintenance, frequent shutdowns, and higher costs. That's why IMI developed Longer Service Trim. Designed for your challenging low-flow applications, LST redirects damaging flow energy away from critical sealing surfaces, helping valves last longer and perform better. This means that you achieve longer service life, fewer maintenance interventions, greater reliability, lower lifecycle costs. In many of your applications, the life of a trim can be extended from months to years. Longer Service Trim, keeping your process running longer. IMI Growth Hub, our engine for innovation.